Welcome back to Craftastic. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let us begin our today's video. And our today's video is BTS pen pencil topper. So let us begin, guys. And so first of all, I have to take any color sheet. So I'm using white color sheet. So cut out a little bit of the portion. I'm using a waste sheet, guys. Okay. So I cut out this portion. Now I have to draw this BTS logo. You can color it also, but I will not color. So I'm using a pen for drawing it, and you can use a pencil or something else like that also. So guys, now I'm folding it so that I can get that easily. That I can get that where I have to give the glue for sticking them. And if you do like this, it will be like a little bit of hard. Okay, so it will not get tear in one type of sheet. So you saw it only, it was folded, and you can see now also I'm giving the glue and I'm sticking it also, guys. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, also press the bell icon to get all new updates, share this video to friends and families, and comment in your challenges, suggestions, or anything about this video. Okay, so I've completed sticking, and now you could see I'm cutting the extra parts, means which are not like useful, to make the all sides equal. And here, guys, in the top means below portion I wrote BTS. So now you have to take a little bit of sheet, okay, paper, little bit of, you have to cut it out, and then you have to fold like this and like this. You have to continue, guys, till the end. You have to do it, and then have to stick it. And guys, you could see how it has happened. So I'm cutting out the parts which I don't need, and I'm sticking the extra part, guys. Now, not extra part, the last part I'm sticking. Okay, guys, so yeah, let us do this. And guys, now you have to take the pen, pencil, and see the size. You have to fold it, and you have to see, okay, this much I need to take, and then you have to apply glue and stick it. So you could see I'm gonna stick it right now, yeah. And guys, in this you have to stick the portion which we stick together, okay, that portion have to stick the BTS, so that portion will be hidden also, and it will look good. So it's ready. I've put that in my pen, you could see, and I'm writing hi. So it's looking too beautiful, guys. If you color it also, it will look more beautiful, I think so. Okay, yes, so you can try this out also. And I opened it, and I will put it in my pencil, and you could see I put it on my pencil also, and it's looking so beautiful. This is a pencil, left side, and right hand is the pen topper. Okay, so they both are looking good, means one only I used, one topper I made, but I put it in both of the pen and pencil, so it was looking good. So guys, thanks for watching this video, thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and if you haven't seen these videos, check them right now. Bye.